Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by cleaning the headlight thoroughly so grit won't embed. Use soap and a microfiber, then dry. Mask the car, paint carefully with tape so you only sand plastic. Start sanding with 800 grit wet sandpaper and keep the area wet. You're removing the top scratched layer, not reshaping the lens. Move in slow, even strokes, changing direction every few passes to level the surface uniformly. Once the deep scratches fade, prepare to refine with finer grits next. Once done with coarse sanding, you switch to finer grits to eliminate the haze left behind. You'll use 1,200 then 2,000 grit, wet sanding at each stage. Keep pressure light and consistent so you don't gouge the plastic. Make overlapping circular and crosshatch passes, then wipe clean and inspect the lens. You're looking for even, fine scratches only. If deeper marks persist, repeat the previous grit briefly. When the surface looks uniformly matte, it's time to polish and restore clarity. You finish by applying a plastic polish or a mild rubbing compound with a clean microfiber pad. Work in small circular motions and alternate speed for heat control. Buff until the lens regains transparency, then clean residue and apply a UV clear coat or protectant to prevent re-yellowing. Make sure to let the sealant cure per instructions. If the lens clouds again or small pits remain, resand the affected area lightly with 2,000 grit and repeat polishing. This troubleshooting step fixes localized flaws without redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.